Instead of net zero, what we need is emission reductions. Here is my viewpoint. In the face of increasing evidence, solid, concrete scientific evidence that we need to reduce our emissions, that if we want to restrict global warming to less than 1.5 degrees Celsius, we have less than 10 years left. It is a combination of promises to reduce emissions later, based on two premises. One, that we will compensate for our increasing emissions by planting trees and protecting/regenerating forests. That is not very likely to happen. And in the end, forests can only sequester so much carbon. They are also subject to more wildfires, more pest damage, and in a warming climate, they are likely to store even less carbon than now. The second premise is technologies that show some promise now, but there is no guarantee or a clear prediction on when they will become commercially viable. There is a lot of talk about green hydrogen. Well, we don't know when or even in which sectors will it become commercially viable. It's not just about 1.5 degrees Celsius. We are now looking at 2 degrees Celsius if we don't reduce our emissions now. Instead of net zero, what we need is emission reductions. Instead of net zero, what we want is promises to do something now, not later.